bringing you a WTI, and if your man is going to go for a long hike, you definitely want to make sure he's protected from the sun and doesn't overheat. My husband actually overheats very easily, and these Boidonwan men's convertible hiking pants were exactly what he needed. There are two main pockets. You can put your phone, a wallet. You also have a lower zipper side pocket where you can put any trash that you accumulate on the hike. There's a Velcro back pocket. It's great for putting anything like chapstick. And then there is a very big side zipper pocket on the left side. And this you can actually fit food or energy gels. What's great about these pants is that they are convertible, so you can change them into shorts. And they are just as light and breezy as the pants. They are extremely comfortable and easy to attach and disattach the bottom part of the legs. The seams are just well done. It is stretchy, so it really gives you a lot of great mobility if you're having to exert yourself or to bend down. Many times we'd have to bend down to get our hiking sticks. I love the little square ring on the front of the pants because it is easy to hook on a water bottle, keys, anything that you're going to need. Again, easy access to. Just everything about these offered the needed protection from the elements, but because they're moisture wicking, it allows you to stay cool and to not feel weighed down on a long and hard hike, which is exactly what this did for him. My husband thought these were so comfortable, so versatile, and really made our big hike so much easier. And that's my point of view.